I got my hair transplant at a local clinic and it was total disaster and atrocious. For the second hair transplant, I went with the Medispa based on all of my research, and that turned out to be the best decision I ever took. And right now here I am waiting for my third hair transplant, which is going to be my second session at Medispa.
So this young boy had his first transplant at some local clinic by FUE. The problem was unnatural hairline design. That was because of it was done with untrained, unprofessional hands. So he had come for revision hair transplant with us. We did correction of hairline and covering the remaining bald area, the mid scalp and the crown. In fact, the donor was also very much damaged that time because of over harvest from FUE. So we did a combination treatment of strip surgery, FUE and body hair to harvest almost 5,000 grafts to cover these areas. Now this guy has come again to improve density. So he has an advantage that previous surgery was combination. That's why we can reharvest a strip, some FUE, some body hair, and can do almost 4,500 grafts again to improve density in mid scalp and the crown area. So that's what we are doing in his second surgery.
This is Sai, and I'm currently working as a software developer in Canada. I had a problem of receding hairline when I was like 23 years old, and I got my hair transplant at a local clinic, out of which the results are very unnatural and bad. And with that result, I continued to face reality, which is my life for the next 3 years. And then I thought maybe it's the time to change, and I started researching about the best clinics. Based off all the researches, we shortlisted to few options, out of which after talking to the staff, I realized Medispa is the best clinic to get my second hair transplant. The day was scheduled. For the initial consultation, I felt pretty good about it, but still very nervous based off my first hair transplant result. So the day I came to hospital, I expressed the same concerns to the doctor. He made sure at least I was comfortable before the surgery, and on the day of surgery as well, it was pretty painless and seamless experience for me. And after 1 year, I can see the difference in me as a person, both in the perspective of confidence and as a person. And once that is done, I realized this is the best I could have selected out for the hair transplant. And right now I'm at a stage where my hair is looking pretty good, but there are still a few gaps because I had lost a lot of hair before the surgery, before the second hair transplant. So now planning to get the third hair transplant as well, which is second one in Medispa. I'm pretty excited for that. And coming to the experience of the clinic, I think everyone is like super nice, and they talk in such a way that you don't feel nervous about the surgery. And also the way they treat you, like they give you free accommodation just in case if you're coming from a different city or different country. So they give the free accommodation, which reduces the hassle to check for the stay, and also the surgery in general is pretty seamless, as I told before.